Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Nigerian stew with tomato paste. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tomato paste, 3 large bell peppers, and 2 medium onions. Also, prepare your protein. About 1 pound of beef, chicken, or fish works well. Ensure you have cooking oil, about 1 cup of stock, and your favorite spices ready for a truly flavorful base. Next, blend your 3 bell peppers, 2 tomatoes, and 1 onion until completely smooth. Heat about 1/2 cup of cooking oil in a pot, then add your 1 can of tomato paste. Fry this for about 15 minutes, stirring constantly until it darkens and loses its raw taste. Then, pour in your blended pepper mixture and continue cooking until the oil clearly floats on top. Now it's time to add your pre-cooked protein, whether it's 1 pound of beef, chicken, or fish, along with its flavorful stock. Stir everything together thoroughly. Incorporate your favorite spices, perhaps 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, and 2 bay leaves. Let the stew simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken beautifully. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning. Add salt to your preference and perhaps a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity if needed. Check the consistency. It should be rich and not too thin or overly thick. Your delicious Nigerian stew is now ready. Serve it hot with a side of fluffy white rice, boiled yam, or fried plantains for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.